Hi, my name is Dr. Thibaut Merit. I am the endodontist here at 3 Dental, and I'm going to talk to you today about root canal treatments. A lot of people will be very anxious about the idea of getting a root canal treatment. The reality is that most of our patients will fall asleep on the chair while we are treating them, just because they realize it's a very comfortable and completely pain-free procedure. Patients needing a root canal treatment will typically be in pain, or they may have some swelling or any other signs of infection. But sometimes it is an incidental finding on an X-ray that was taken during a checkup, for example, that shows some kind of infection in the tooth, and the dentist might recommend that you see an endodontist for a root canal treatment of that tooth. At 3 Dental, we always try and complete the root canal treatment as well as the restoration of the tooth in just one visit. A root canal treatment can take anywhere between an hour and 2 hours, depending on the case. Once we have established the need for a root canal treatment, a preoperative 3D scan will be taken in order to anticipate any difficulties and prevent any complications, and make sure we will book you for the right amount of time. On the day of the treatment, the tooth will be numbed up so that the patient doesn't feel anything. Then a rubber dam will be placed around the tooth in order to isolate it from the rest of the mouth. Then the previous restorations or previous caries, decay will be removed in order to work in a clean field. We then proceed to remove the nerve or any bacteria that may be causing infection inside the tooth. And once the tooth is thoroughly disinfected, we're going to seal off those root canals to make sure that there's no possibility for a further infection in the future. And once this is done, we are going to build up the tooth nice and strong so that the tooth is ready to go on the day of the treatment. In some cases, we might recommend the placement of a crown on the tooth after the root canal treatment to extend its longevity. After the root canal treatment is completed, any signs of infection or any pain that you may have will slowly decrease to settle back down to normal over usually in the next few hours, sometimes the next few days. If you were told or if you suspect you may need a root canal treatment, book a consultation online on 3dental.ie or give us a call.